The EPA has categorized three types of wastewater treatment: municipal, stormwater, and septic. And there have been innovations in both municipal and stormwater, but none in septic. Let's see. Whoops. Despite this, 25% of all US households are on septic systems, and an estimated 1/3 of all new development is planned to be on septic. So what this means is that the number of units, septic units in the United States will only be increasing. So what is a septic system? A septic system has two main components: the tank and the drain field. The tank is just used to separate out the solid waste from the liquid waste, allowing the excess liquid waste to go to the drain field, where the soils in the drain field filter out the nutrient pollution before it reaches the water table. Septics primarily need maintenance when the solid levels in the tank get too high, and that causes solids to start exiting the tank, entering the drain field. And as too many solids enter the drain field can become clogged, which causes septic failure. This is a picture of nutrient pollution from failing septic systems entering the waterways in Martin County, Florida. These nutrients create dead zones and algae blooms in the waterways, which results in the dead fish pictured here. This is a picture of Suffolk County, or Long Island, New York, where 70% of Suffolk County's homes are on septic, and they've attributed 70% of the nutrient pollution in their waterways to septic failures. The problem has gotten to a point where they put together a $4 billion plan to remedy the issue. Only 50% of septic systems are maintained. Failing septic systems cost $79 billion annually in infrastructure, healthcare, and operational costs, and cause up to 424 million pounds of excess nutrient pollution entering our waterways. These impacts have spurred new government regulations in inspections and maintenance of septic systems. According to Alex at Ottertail Water Management District, it takes one full-time employee to manage 1,500 septic systems. Suffolk County alone has 360,000 septic systems. Municipalities just don't have the manpower or the budget to manage all of the different septic systems in their jurisdiction. My name is Derek Dew, and I'm the founder and CEO of IoTank. We are building the very first septic inspection alternative, and there are three main components that we're building out: a sensor, a communication module, and a software platform. The IoTank has patented the very first affordable septic sensor that measures sludge, scum, and effluent within the septic tank. And this lets us know when these tanks need maintenance. The IoTank sensor also measures wastewater production to provide predictive maintenance of the external components. And by gathering data across all of the different tanks, IoTank will also be able to provide data-driven recommendations to municipalities. In short, IoTank will automate maintenance of all the decentralized wastewater systems and ensure all tanks are compliant to local regulatory standards, providing homeowners a 175% ROI. IoTank will have multiple revenue streams. Our primary revenue stream will be with homeowners, where we'll have a one-time affordable hardware cost and a recurring monthly subscription fee. With municipalities, our platform will be completely free, except for any value-added services where we'll have an annual subscription fee. And for on-site maintainers, it'll also be free, but they'll have a % commission charge on any services booked with the platform. We expect the market size to be about $2 billion for homeowners, $1 billion for municipalities, and $320 million for on-site maintainers. We're first trying to convince municipalities that we are a valid septic inspection alternative, and we'll be targeting municipalities that have sensitive waterways and regulated inspections in place already. We're working closely with Ottertail Water Management District in Minnesota for our product development, as well as a pilot planned in June of 2020. Ottertail's projected ROI for the first year is expected to be 275%. We have a team with a track record of delivering products. We have developed and delivered 20+ products that have gone to market and have released 50,000 devices into the world. We've augmented our team with advisors that are decentralized wastewater experts, as well as experts in industry. We currently aren't looking for funding right now, because we're bootstrapped and waiting for some grants. But what we do need help with is raising awareness of this issue. We're also looking for help with introductions to advisors that understand how to navigate the sales cycle with municipalities, and for introductions to municipalities that could be our target customers. We're going to enable decentralized wastewater to be managed centrally. When presenting our sensors at WWETT in February, 95% of the attendees were extremely excited about our product, and some wanted to buy the product on the spot. We have the right team to execute, a clear market, and regulations that are trending for our product. We have just finished validating the sensors and are preparing to launch our first pilot. Please contact us if you want to learn more. Thank you.